Hello guys, welcome to INE's Routing Technologies for Professionals video series. I am Peter Koluzny, your instructor. I have over 12 years of experience in networking and network security. I am a Cisco certified associate, professional, and expert. People who will benefit from this course the most are network engineers or administrators with at least, I would say, 2, maybe 3 years of experience. So you should definitely have some background before you attend this class. This course is not meant for beginners. We have a separate course that you can take a look at that will get you through the basics of routing technologies. This one is more advanced. It is much more detailed and covers some of the professional to expert level concepts. By the way, this course will also help anyone who is studying to CCNP or even CCIE in routing and switching. Okay, the focus of this series is of course on certain routing technologies and protocols. We will actually look at most of the currently adopted routing technologies and protocols, things that you will find in pretty much every single modern IP network. This series is broken down into several sections. I'm going to start our discussion with an introduction to IP routing. We will talk about routing from a high-level perspective. We will focus on Cisco IOS, and we will also discuss static routes. Then we will take a look at RIP version 2, along with summarization and filtering techniques. So we will discuss summarization and filtering separately because these concepts will actually apply to every single routing protocol. And we will be looking at these two also from a certain routing protocols perspective. So we will also discuss summarization and filtering for OSPF, EIGRP, and then BGP. Okay, next we will talk about EIGRP and its equivalent for IP version 6. We will do a similar thing for OSPF. Next is gonna be BGP, what will come, which is gonna be followed by a discussion on routing protocol security, including authentication. We will also discuss some of the more advanced routing concepts, and I'm gonna finish with routing virtualization. I hope you guys enjoy this whole series, and I want to say thank you everyone for watching. I hope you find this course valuable, and I'll see you in the class.